Tactical arbitrage is one of the best software you can use for online arbitrage, if you want to make money. It's the industry standard, right? But it has a steep learning curve. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a shortcut to success. I'm going to tell you exactly what website you need to scan if you want to make money. Before we do, we have a Discord server, link in the description, best place to ask any questions you may have regarding selling on Amazon. And so let's jump into the video. So, are we going to make a tier list? No, we are actually not going to make a tier list. And I need to tell you the truth. There's no best website to source with tactical arbitrage, all right? It depends on the time period. It really depends. And I know you guys wanted, you know, a cheat code video. There's not. It depends, and I'm going to show you how to know which website to source and when you should source it, because I know you all thought like it was going to be sweet. It's not sweet, guys. It changes all the time. Stop being lazy, all right? And this is what you are going to need to do. So you are going to need to go to every single website that is on tactical arbitrage and do this. So I'm going to open this. This is the first website. We're going to scroll down and we are going to sign up for deals, all right? So for the newsletter, I'm sorry. So laziest motherfucker at gmail.com, all right? And you are going to need to do this for every single website that is on tactical arbitrage, all right? So you're going to do this. You don't have to do it yourself. You can have your VA to do it, but like you're going to need to go through all those websites because, as I said, there's no best website to scan with tactical arbitrage. It depends on what sales is going on at the moment, all right? The reason why you're not finding deals with tactical arbitrage is because you scan the whole website. You have no idea where to look, and you do not look at sales. You do not look at promotion. You do not look at coupons codes. You do not look at all those things. All right. You need to actually every single morning go into your email inbox and check where sales are, where you can find deals. All right. And once you know where you can find deals, then you can go on tactical arbitrage. So let's go back to that first website. All right. Let's say today they tell you that there's, let's just go here. Let's go to the advanced view because we do not want to use the basic view. But let's say that they tell you that today on LedTube, there's a 50% coupon on LedTube, all right? So what you're gonna do is on forfeit, let's make it super specific, all right? All right, on the 3000 Kelvin T8 retrofit LedTube. So let's say they tell you that there's 50% off on those today and you have a coupon code, all right? So what you're gonna do then is actually go here, enter this here, and use the price adjustment and adjust it. And like if you have a 50% coupon, you're gonna enter this here. Let's just assume that there's no gift card, and then you're gonna launch your search, right? I'm not gonna do it because I don't have a lot of minutes left, but this is what you want to do for every single website. You need to know where promotion are. There's no best website. There's only like it change all the time depending on what coupon code they can send to your email inbox, depending on what gift card is like, but most of the time it's going to be dependent on what promotion is going on, all right? You need to be aware of those promotions. The first way to do it is to actually sign up for every single website that's on tactical arbitrage newsletter. From there, you're going to be able to have some success sourcing. But if you just scan stuff randomly, this is why you're not making money with tactical arbitrage. And this is why you're asking those questions, which are the best websites to source. There's no best websites to source. All the websites are great. You just need to scan them at the right time. That's it. All right. I hope this video was helpful. I know I'm gonna have some thumbs down because some of you guys are just lazy and wanted me to tell you exactly what website to scan, but I have to tell you the truth. All right. It depends. All websites are great. Leave a like, subscribe, join the Discord server. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. I release a new video on selling on Amazon every single day. So stay tuned. Watch these other videos on the screen, by the way. I'll see you tomorrow.